Domino effect looks like this. We have trauma, which creates nervous system dysregulation and a shallow breath pattern. Once we're in a shallow breath pattern, it decreases our ribs' ability to expand because our diaphragm becomes really tight. When the diaphragm's really tight, it pushes down and it increases pressure in the abdomen and the pelvic cavity. It's called intraabdominal pressure. When there's an increase in that intraabdominal pressure, there's a load created on the pelvic floor. So there's an increased weight or load on the pelvic floor. 3 things that it could be: incontinence, prolapse, sexual dysfunction. That's 3 things that this can lead to. Any of those conditions where things are bulging out. Okay, so if you've had physical pain and you've tried a bunch of stuff, and maybe you've been to physical therapy and they're like treating that part and it's not working. I was honestly like, when I learned this, I was like, oh, why didn't they teach me this in physical therapy school? It could have helped so many more people because it's this one thing, right? How do we decrease pressure? You could say pressure, stress, how that actually lands, right, in the physical body.